Do you ever have those days and those weeks, or maybe even those months that they just don't go as planned? That's how this week has been for me. Hi, welcome. I'm Amanda from My Hands On Family, and I'm so glad to have you here. This week I had all these great intentions. I have all these great videos that I was excited to share, and they're all partially done. And it is now the night before my video comes out, and I don't have a video. Well, you'll get this one, but it wasn't what I planned. These last 2 weeks we have had just a lot go on and a lot of fires to put out, for lack of a better term, with things going on in our lives. And it just, today especially to me, it felt like one of those days that I couldn't get done any of the things that I planned to. It just, I don't know, the day just kind of got away from me. And as I was sitting and I was kind of freaking out a little bit ago, I realized that, you know what, it's okay. Because I spent an extra 10 minutes cuddling a child who needed some cuddles. I spent an extra hour outside with my kids playing and, going for a walk. That is not a failure of a day. That is a success of a day, because I am a mother. I have 4 kids from age 1 to 11, and they need me. And my whole purpose for starting my businesses is to be able to spend time with my children, to be able to go on adventures, to be able to have fun, to be able to continue homeschooling them as long as they want to be homeschooled. And to do those things, sometimes my schedule or my day, it doesn't go as planned, but that doesn't mean that it's a failure. I may not accomplish and do everything that I want to, but we always need to focus, and we always need to remember what's most important. Just because you had a hard day or a hard week or a hard month, or you just couldn't accomplish and do what you needed to, I challenge you to look back and see exactly what you did do, exactly what you accomplished, and exactly where you're going, because you are loved and you are cared for. And even though you are your world's worst critic, you are successful. And no matter where you are at and no matter what you're doing, you can succeed and you can do what you need to. And just remember what is most important. If you're having a hard day, if you're having a hard week, if you're having a hard month, find those blessings, find those things that are most important to you, and just remember that that's what's most important. I know that everything will work out, so just take that time to remember, take that time to find what you're grateful for, take that time to remember what's important. And if you have children, give them that little extra snuggle, because they need it. I hope you guys have an amazing week, and I'm so glad you're here. I'll see you next time.